friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Archana here, and today I'm going to create fridge magnets. So I'm going to use these bases. These bases are from Etsy Bitsy. These are MDF bases, and different shapes of these MDF cutouts that I got in this pack. So this pack is from Etsy Bitsy. So these pieces are really ideal for decoupage, mixed media, or anything that you want to create. So today I'm going to create a fridge magnet using these, and this video is also part of YouTube hop called butterflies, bees, insect, etc. So yeah, so now what I'm going to do here, so I have these beautiful cuttings of MDF. So I'm just going to add it something like that. Okay, and this I'm going to, so I will stick these bases like this. I'm thinking to create some abstract looking piece. So this will look nice, maybe, or something like this. So look at this, it looks so nice. First I'm going to stick this, and for that I am using heavy gel medium. Okay, so using palette knife I'm going to add heavy gel medium on these bases. Okay, so now I will add some stone texture paste. So this is from Little Birdie, and now I'm going to add this using palette knife. So just to create some extra texture, so I'm using same knife that I use for applying heavy gel medium. So just here, just spread it out. Okay, and I think I need to add more texture on this portion as well, but I'm not going to add this kind of heavy texture. So I'm going to add some other ground texture paste that I have with me. So I'm going to add this texture paste. Okay, so now I will let this dry, and then I will add these butterflies over this. Okay, so look at this, how beautiful, cute mini magnet will look like. So this is how it will look like here. Okay, so this is dried completely, and now I will first white gesso it, and then I will add this butterfly over here. Okay, like this. Okay, this will look nice like this. So I'll just zoom it a little bit. Okay. So now first I will add a white gesso. Okay. So and now using a heavy gel medium, I'm going to stick this. Okay, so look at this. This is how it looks as of now. And now I will color this using my sprays. So before that, I am going to add some tissue paper underneath. Okay, like this here. And now I will sprinkle some let me choose some shades here. Shall we go with teal shade? I just love this teal shade. Okay, and little bit of this violet. Okay, and on this I'm thinking to go with green. And this is kind of a reddish. So look at the shine I got in here. At this, how beautiful it's looking. I just love this, glittery or shimmery effect on this. Okay, so now I will add some highlighting, some highlights using this metallic wax. So here on this I'm going to use a copper shade, and on this I'm going to use gold shade. Okay, so using my finger, just circular motion, add this wax. It dries completely, I will add some white gesso behind it, and then I will add some magnets, and it's ready to go onto your face. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this process. I will be back with another project. I'll just give a quick close up. So look at the texture and everything. So I will be back with another project soon. Till then, bye bye, take care, and happy creating.